Okay, welcome to my class. This is Suresh. So, this is the CBSE NCERT class 1, NCERT chapter 1, and first chapter real numbers. This topic is in real numbers. So, this topic is in real numbers. Okay, this topic is in real numbers. So, Euclid division algorithm, first chapter, first question. So, what is the Euclid division algorithm method? Means A equal to BQ plus R method. Okay, where remainder should be 0. Remainder and 0 రావాలి. Remainder should be come to the 0. So 135 and 225. So what is the HCF of these two numbers? So find the HCF of these two numbers. So HCF of these two numbers. So first we have to find what is sequence first. So rough sequence. If you divide like this one, if you divide like this, so 135 1 the 135 0 and it's a 9. Okay, 90 is the remainder. So we have to write that one. We have to write in this form. A equal to BQ plus in this form. So here 225 is greater than 135. Here 225 is greater than 135. So in the same sequence, so 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. Okay, so this is the first step. First step completed. Again, so we have to do up to the remainder is 0. Okay, we have to do up to the remainder is 0. So again, second step. The second step means again 90, 135. Okay, so we have to divide 135 by 90. Okay, 90 ones are 90, again 45. Okay, we have to write like same. Same means again here 90 here. Okay, 135 greater than 90. Okay, 135 greater than 90. So 135 is, so 90 into 1 plus 45. So 45 here is remainder. Okay, again one more step. One more step. So again 45. 45 to the 90. Okay, remainder is 0 here. So we have to write that one again. So 90 greater than 45. 90 greater than 45. So can write 90 as a 45 into 2 plus 0. So until the remainder 0, we have to do. Okay, until the remainder 0 we have to do. So where there is a remainder 0, the divisor is an HCF. Okay, where the remainder 0, the divisor is an HCF. So this is the HCF according to the Euclid's division algorithm method. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you. So we have to find about the HCF of 196 and 38,220. Okay, in this question. So how to do in this question? So we have to do as rough way. First method rough. So 38220 rough division is there. So 196 rough division. So 196 ones are 196 again okay. So again 9 9 6 54 9 9 81 81 plus 5 86 9 1 9 plus 860. So here okay 9 1 9 plus 8 17. So if you do 196 into 9, we get answer like the 1764. Again 8 9 0. So 5 9 5 9 5 6 35 9 45 plus 3 48 again 0. Okay, so if you do division properly, you will get this one. Clearly the remainder is 0. Again the coefficient. Again the remainder is 0. Again coefficient. 195. This is a divisor. This is a dividend. Okay, guys. It's not a problem, and we have to do this roughly. And in this one, so 38220 greater than 196. So 38220 can be written as 196 into 195 plus 0. Clear? 3822 can be written as 196 into 195 plus 0. So this is the HCF. Okay, direct HCF. We don't need to do some more stuff. Okay, so this is HCF. Thank you. This question 867 and 255. We have to check the remainder for 866, you have to check the HCF for 867 and 255. As usual, the same guys, every time we have to check what is the larger number, what is the smaller number. Okay, so 867 is greater than 255. Okay, so rough division first. In the rough division, 255. In the rough division, 867 should be divided by the 255. So like we can do anything like say with any number 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. Otherwise we have to check some more. 3, is it possible? 3. So 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16, 3 1 3. So possible with 3. 765. Okay, 255 into 3, 765. Okay, 2 0 1. Okay, so once again this divisor should be, so either 2 2 is 4, 0 2 1 is 2, again 1, so 5. Once again, until unless remainder should be 0, have to do in HCF. So 2 1 is 2 2 5 is, so here the remainder is 0. We only need to do one more step. So we have to write this arrangement into Euclid division algorithm method. Okay, so A equal to BQ plus R until unless the remainder is 0. Okay, so 867 is 255 into 3 plus 102. Okay, this is the first step. The second step, again 255 equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. This is second step. Okay, and third step, 51 into 2 plus 0. So this is third step. Clear? So this is the remainder 0. This is the divisor and HCF also. So what is the HCF? So the HCF of 867 and 255. The HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, second question. So in this question, show that any positive odd integer. Is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So q is some integer. So what are some integers? So integer, generally integer means any number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any number. So here A and B are positive. So in this question, ask level positive integers. So this is a Euclid division algorithm method. A equal to BQ plus R, where R is the, we have to take here R 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything, 5, anything. Okay. B, according to question B, you have to imagine like 6. Okay. Here in the question they are asked about 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Okay. Question they are asked like, so we have to take first 6 equal to 1. Then in the 6 equal to A equal to 6q plus 1. Okay. 6q plus 1, because A equal to BQ plus R. In the value B value 6, again R value 1. So this is odd integer. Okay, 6q plus 1. Can we check 6q plus 1, is this odd integer or not? For example, if a q value 1, 6 into 1 plus 1, how much is a 7? This is an odd number. Again, q value 2, 6 into 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, so 13. This is the odd. Okay, so we have to find this one first. This one. So any value of q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 is the odd integer. We have to prove that one. That's it. Okay, so this is the form. B, we have to take B as a 6 and R as a 1, 3 and 5. By this one we can find this Euclid division algorithm method is the 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 is the odd integer. Okay, by this one. Okay, and the second one, say same to same, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So the same to same. For example, 6q plus 3. 6q plus 3. So, and the value 6 into 1 plus 3. 6 into 1 plus 3 nothing but 9. So 9 is an odd number. So in the same way, 6q. For example, q, you can take q any number like. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is an odd number. Okay. So by this form, this a equal to 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 is an odd integer. Okay. So this is an odd integer. So a question asked like this only. So we can prove it. So have to write this method entirely in the exam. And in the exam, if they ask about D, so have to do some more thing. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So in this question, the same. How many army members are 616 and 32 troops are there. 32 troops. How many columns per line? So we have to find HCF of 616 and 32 again. So 662 and 32 again. So I have to do like this. Okay. So rough division is first important. So 32 ones are 32. Again like and how many 9 and 2 6 again 19 9 2 is 18 9 3 is 27 plus 1 28. So 8. Okay. So 8. So the remainder is not 0. So once again 8 4 is 32. So it's 8. So this is a rough division. So this is a rough division. Okay. So first 616. So 616 32 into 19. 32 into 19 plus 8. So the first step remainder is 8. Okay. Again 32. Again 32 8 into 4 plus 0. Okay. So this is the HCF. Okay, this is the HCF. So this is the first remainder. This is the second remainder. Okay. So by this one. So we will do. Don't confuse. Okay. Okay. So HCF is 8. So the answer is automatically per line 8 numbers are there. Otherwise 8 lines are there. Okay, so in the fourth question, square of any, you have to find like square of any positive number. Square of any positive number. Square of any positive number either in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. We have to prove this one. Square of any positive number either in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. You have to prove this one. So as usual, in the question they ask about 3m or 3m plus 1. So B is 3. So 3q plus r, because Euclidean division algorithm method is A equal to bq plus r. So r value 0 less than or equal to r or less than 3. That means r value you have to take 0, 1 or 2. You have to find. So we have to take r value 0, 1 or 2 and 3m plus 1. So first thing, r equal to 0, this equation A equal to 3q plus r. So 3q plus r value 0. So A equal to 3q. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. So A square means 9q square. So 9q square means 3 into 3q square. So A square equal to 3m. Where m is 3q square. Okay. So where m is 3q square. So by this method, if r is 0, we can if r is 0, we prove that the square of any positive number, like in this equation, the square of any positive number is 3m. Okay, but square of the square of any positive number, so 3m. So we prove this one. What he asked, we prove this one. Again the second method. So once again, We proved already if R is 0, A square is 3m. We proved already. In the same way, if R is 1, what will happen? So if R is 1, A equal to 3q plus 1. Okay, 3q plus 1. So square on both sides. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. A square 3q plus 1 whole square. A square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. A plus b whole square formula. So what is the A plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So A square plus b square plus 2 into ab. Okay, square plus b square plus b. So this is 9 q square, 2 3 is 6 q into 1. So okay, so in this one we have to take 3 as a common. So if 3 as a common, 3q and plus 1. Okay, so again this is like 3m plus 1, where m is 3q square plus 1. Okay, so here also what in the question asked for 3m or 3m plus 1. So first we have to take R is 0. We proved A square is 3m. Here R is 1. Here R is 1. We have to take if we take R is 1 in the equation, A equal to 3q plus 1 on both sides. A square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. So whole square 3q A plus b whole square formula, 3q whole square plus 1 square plus everything like. So finally A square is 3m plus 1 we proved. Here m is 3q square plus 2q. Okay. Okay, in the first step, R is 0, A square equal to 3m, we proved it. If R is 1, A square equal to 3m plus 1, we proved it. Once again, you have to take if R is 2. R is 2 means A equal to 3q plus R. So square on both sides. So square on both sides, A square equal to 3q plus R whole square. Okay, square on both sides, A square equal to 3q plus R whole square. So according to formula, we know that A plus b whole square formula, A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square formula, A square plus b square plus 2ab. So A square plus b square plus 2 into A plus b. So R is 2, right? R is 2. A 2 square means nothing but okay, so 9q square, 2 square for 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Okay, again so 9q square and 12q plus 4 we can write like this also. Okay, we can write like this also. Here we have to take 3 as a common. 3 as common, 3q square and 3 4s are 12 plus 1 plus 1. So again we can write 3m plus 1. Here m is 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Okay, so this is the equation. Again we proved it. So in this way, if R is 0, A equal to 3m plus 1. If R is 1, A square equal to 3m plus 1. In the same way, if R is 2, A square equal to 3m plus 1. So we can prove in different ways. Okay. So in the question they ask about this one only. Square of any positive number, and then they ask 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay guys, this is the main. Thank you. Hi, once again. So in this question we have to find like cube of any positive integer. Can be like 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, so cube of A equal to 3q plus R cube. So we have to do cube on both sides. So we have to prove this one. So cube on both sides, a cube equal to 3 cube, r value 0 first, r value 0. Okay, so a cube equal to 3 cube whole square. Okay, a cube equal to 3 cube, 3 cube 27 and cube. So we have to find a 9m, right? So 27 cube, we have to take 9 common. Okay, so here m is 3 cube. Okay, so clear. So we proved. So cube of any positive number is a cube equal to 9m. We proved it. So in the second case, a equal to 3 cube plus r. The same here, r is 1. So a 3 cube plus 1, r is 1. Cube on both sides, a cube equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so what is the a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here 3 cube whole square and 1 square, 3 into 3 cube plus 1. Okay, so this is 27 9 cube and 1 cube, 3 3 is 9. So these are all we have to take for this one, right? This one, guys, don't confuse. So 1 plus 9 3 is 27 cube plus 9 cube. 27 plus 9. 27 plus 9 means 36. Excuse me. Sorry. So this one, okay. So 9 is 27 q square. 27 q square plus 9 cube is 1. So we have to prove 9m plus 1. 9m plus 1 we have to prove. So we have to take 9 as a common. Okay, so 9m plus 1, where m is 3 cube square plus 3 q square plus 1. 3 cube plus 3 q square plus 1. Okay, so again we have to find a cube equal to 9m plus 1. Okay, so we have to put this one also. Okay, so in the both sequence r value 0, and here r value 1, here r value 1. So you take like this, and the formula should be important. A plus b whole cube formula we can identify. Okay, in the third case, a equal to 3 cube plus, okay, in the third case, a equal to 3 cube plus r. Third case, we have to find this one. Here r value 2. Okay, already we take 0 and 1. Here r value 2. So a cube equal to 3 cube plus r value 2 whole cube. Okay, so what is the a plus b whole cube formula? Again, a plus b whole cube formula: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So what is the 3q plus 2 whole square? 3q plus whole cube, 3q cube and b cube. 3 into okay. So 27 cube, 2 cube, 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. Okay, 27 9 q 8, 27 q cube plus 8, 18 3 is 54 cube, 18 2 is 36 cube, 54 q square. So after this one, 27 9 q cube plus 54 q square plus 8. Okay, So in the question asked about, you have to prove 9m plus 8. So 9m plus 8. So we have to take 9 as a common. 9 6 ja. So 9 4 ja. Okay. 9m plus 8. We proved. So what is the value of m means where m is a cube plus. Okay. So we proved like a cube equal to 9m plus 8. Okay, so this is the question and this is the first chapter, first exercise in first chapter of real numbers NCERT and CBSE class 10. Okay, thank you.